After you open Premiere and import the file into the timeline, you should have this section. If you don't have it, go to the window panel and click on it. There's an effect here too that we will use later. And first of all, click on the toggle animation. And now you have to go forward a few frames, but I suggest 5 frames. Set the part you want to zoom in here. And now you have to bring it forward for the amount of time that you want that zoom to be. And then click on this and the button will come up and it will apply exactly the same size that you gave here before, and you don't need to change the sizes. Now this is the result of our zoom. But to zoom in a little bit better, select these two and then right click and click Easy In. And do the same for the next part, but this time click Easy Out.